Sorry, we got interrupted, but let's just go back. It was middle C, and then we decided instead of going to middle C, we'll go one up. And now we are going to skip this one, and we're going to skip this one. So we're just going to do between the lines. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of middle C, we're going the next up, and then so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's just do a simple thing. Back to middle C. Skip, skip. Now let's just figure out the name of this note. If this is C, we're going up. After C is D, then E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. And this is called the G clef. That's on the second line. See? First line from the bottom, second line on the bottom. G clef and the G. So to find G, we could do C, skip, skip. C, E, G. C, E, G. C, D, E, F, G. C, E, G. G clef. Now, what if we wanted to go down instead of up? We would go from C, for example, middle C. C, 1 down, see, between the C line and the one line from the other 5 lines. Down, between the lines again, on the line, between the lines, etc. So we'll play C, down, 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 down. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6.